Hey, good Friday morning, everyone. We are doing something a little bit different for this Friday morning. Today is actually the last day of our fundraiser for VO2, and we wanted to just do one last video just to kind of remind you guys, if you haven't donated yet, you still got time. We're going to be doing the live tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific time. If you have donated, thank you so much. We so appreciate you guys. What do you got to say? I just kind of rambling.
Well, we got, honestly, a lot of you guys donated so much awesome stuff. You know, we got donations from Henry Satterfield, from Tessa Matthews, from Chris from Amana,
Jeff Dale.
Jeff Dale. I mean, and there's more of you guys. And I'm sorry if I didn't mention you, because we got a lot of stuff. But I mean,
still got more stuff coming.
Yeah,
it's not even here.
We got more stuff coming. So we got, you know, signs. We have the one that Dad and I did. No, that was just one video, right?
Yeah, that was just one video.
And we got router bits. Excuse me. We got router bits. You know, so for $5, you could win some pretty awesome stuff. And we got a ton of stickers. So depending on how many people get, you know, buy raffle tickets and donate to the fundraiser, everybody's going to get a sticker. So, and we have, I think we have a cup coming. Don't we have
well, we have something. We've got a couple more things.
Yeah, a couple more things coming. So this isn't even everything. So, and you guys, this is such a great cause for VO2, Veterans Overcoming Obstacles. And you know, they're helping veterans that are struggling getting back into the civilian life, and it's just, I haven't gotten to meet them yet. Dad speaks very highly of these guys.
They are terrific guys. Chris Carter started this whole thing. David Hess, he kind of runs everything, and they are just a great group of people up there in Colorado that do amazing things. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, go to their website. That really will kind of dial in what these guys are all about.
We'll link the website in the description.
Yeah. But it's Veterans Overcoming Obstacles, VO2.org. We'll make sure it's across the screen so you guys can see that. Just read their mission statement. It's amazing what these guys are doing and have done. Anyway, so the whole idea behind this fundraiser is we're sending them, hopefully going to raise enough money to send them to Indianapolis to do World's Toughest Mudder up there. Actually, it's not World's Toughest Mudder. It's one of the Tough Mudder events, and they do that, and they're just amazing guys. So we've already raised a bunch of money for them. We raised a bunch of money last year. We do this every year. This is the second annual, and you got a lot of you people have already donated. We so appreciate that, and hopefully, you know, a lot of you will win some really cool prizes as far as getting this stuff to you guys. The shipping is all on us. Whatever it takes to get this stuff, whoever wins this stuff, we're paying for the shipping in there. And all of the funds, by the way, guys, we're not getting any of this. We just want that. You guys probably know that.
Yeah.
But all of the funds are going directly to Chris and David up there so that they can fund their travels off to Indianapolis. So they're trying to take a pretty good group of people to that Tough Mudder up there. Anyway.
So go check out their website. Again, we'll put the link in the description so you can click on it. And you know,
if you want to donate, I guess we ought to that.
Yeah.
If you want to donate, please email VickyWithDaveSigns@gmail.com, or you can send it to one of us, Eric at MakeAWoodSign.com,
Ryan with DaveSigns@gmail.com.
And then what happens is, for every $5 donation, you get your name on a ticket, or you get a ticket that's attached to your name. So if you donate $100, then you get 20 tickets in the bucket. And then tonight, we will be pulling those out. And
we're doing that on the live, right?
We're doing that on the live.
If you win, you know, watch the live.
Yeah, watch the live, or watch it after it's broadcast, whatever. But you don't have to be watching the live to win it.
Yeah,
to win. So we'll be announcing the names of the winners, and it looks like there'll be quite a bunch of them. So we really appreciate not only people that are donating monetarily, but donating these kinds of things to give away. It's so cool that you guys do that. So we so appreciate you. I guess that's about it.
Yeah.
So 6 p.m. tonight, Pacific time. That's when we'll be doing the live. And again, if you can watch, great. If you can't, you got graduations or Father's Day things going on, whatever. No big deal. You can watch it later, and we will notify everybody. Vicky will notify everybody. Vicky's really the one doing all the work on this thing. She's the one keeping track of all this stuff. And she will notify you by email or call you or something and let everybody know who won in case you don't see the video. So I guess that's about it. That's not our normal Friday morning thing. Normally we do questions. Normally we do questions from the water, which
we're going to need to do.
Yeah, we got to get back from the water.
Pretty stinking quick.
Yeah.
Top water bite's got to be on now.
Yeah. Anyway, that's a whole nother deal.
Yeah.
But great things going on over here. Big projects coming up very soon. We've got 2 or 3 in a row lined up that you guys will be seeing very soon. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all of your support. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. We'll see you tonight, hopefully. Bye.
Bye.